So, young ladies and gentlemen, last we discussed why CSS. Today we are going to discuss how CSS. That means, how do you prepare for it? What roadmap you have to chart out for yourself to be confident that you will qualify the competitive exam, whether it's CSS, PMS, or other general recruitments of FPSC or Provincial Public Service Commissions. First, some facts and fallacies. The first, foremost, and undeniable fact is that there is no free lunch. There absolutely is no free lunch. You have to work hard. You have to put in at least 6 to 8 hours of effort, 8 to 10 months, and perhaps more. Much depends upon your background, what subjects you have studied, how in depth is your understanding of various disciplines, various important issues. But 6 to 8 months is essential. There is no shortcut to it. The fallacy